What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, I know it's been a minute. I apologize. It's been more than a week since I last uploaded a video, and I'm sorry guys. I have been quite busy with work and we're setting up my little business, my side hustle. But don't worry guys, we're back, and to make it up to you guys, we've got something very special: the Hot Wheels Elite 64 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Now I know you guys know that this is actually the second car from the Elite series. Obviously there's a chaser, but unfortunately guys, and you might not agree with me, but I'm not a huge fan of the chaser. Honestly, the chaser looks bland. Not really a huge fan. I'm not really excited about it. But this, on the other hand, this I have been waiting for. Even the Mustang that comes out after that is also something that I want to get. I want to have in my collection. But today we've got this, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Now guys, there's a lot of cool things about this car, so stay tuned, stay back, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So obviously when you get the car, Hot Wheels or Metal gives you the plastic protector, which is really nice. You got a Hot Wheels logo at the back as well, which is always a very nice little thing to see. Now right off the bat, the cut just looks and feels amazing. Obviously you guys can see it's open, which allows you to see the other side of the vehicle, which is something I'll get back to in a bit as well. But anyways, let's just begin with the cut. So obviously over here we've got the design of the 300 SL by itself. This amazing paint job, amazing grayish paint job that they have right here. And we are gonna talk about the car in a bit. If you turn the car to the back, so obviously like I mentioned, you guys can see the other side of the vehicle right here. But what's more important and what's more cool about this, that a lot of cars, in fact all other premium Hot Wheels or whatever, they don't have, is this information about the vehicle. So obviously you guys can see the 300 SL produced in Germany from 1954 to 57. You got a length, width, height, and the weight of the car. I mean, she is heavy. She's about 3,300 pounds. She's an inline-six with a 4-speed manual. And obviously we've got the Mercedes-Benz logo right there once again. So really nicely done. I actually got this from my friend Drifter D, so massive shout out to him for the insane hookup. I actually managed to sell a few other pieces as well, because I think this is something that holds its value way in the future as well. And yeah, so we are going to dive right into the unboxing. So obviously a lot of people, they don't really like to open it up, but you know me guys, I am always going to open this up. I'm going to display them myself. So let's just do just that. We're gonna slit right open, and we are gonna look at the 300 SL for the first time. And obviously there's a little plastic piece at the back of it as well, which kind of protect the other side, which is a really nice it's a nice little plastic bit that I think is quite cool that Hot Wheels have added. So yeah, here you go guys, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL from the Hot Wheels Elite 64 series, the second series of their whole entire collection. And right off the bat, the car just looks and feels amazing. Let me just try to see if I can get the focus right. I do apologize for that. My phone has been acting a little strange, a little weird. There you go. I don't know what's wrong with my phone guys. I have been trying to solve, but I can't really solve the issue. Anyhow, here is the car, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. And this amazing grey paint job. Right at the back you guys can see the number 417 decal on the door. It's not the only place you guys can see, it's at the back, the front, and the other side as well. We'll get back to that in a bit, don't worry. Let's begin with the right side of the vehicle. So obviously the wheels, they spin amazingly well. These are rubber tires, as you can imagine. The rims are really nice as well. Not much unfortunately there aren't a lot of decals, a lot of design elements throughout. So obviously you've got the fins, the side exhaust right there as well, and obviously the door, which is the most awesome part of this car. I mean guys, the gull-wing doors, check them out. This is insane. You guys can see the interior as well. We'll go back into the interior in a bit when we talk about the car in even more detail, but just amazing. And even the quality of the door, the hinge, it's very nicely done. It's not loose, it's not too tight, it's just perfect, and I think Hot Wheels really did an amazing job with this. Obviously we've got the opening, to give it a very race car vibe. And if you look at the front of the vehicle over here, sorry about that. So over here we've got the Mercedes-Benz logo right here, and obviously we got 417, which is a common trait around the vehicle. We've got plastic headlights guys, check that out. Sorry about that, let me just try to get the right angle. Check that out, guys. We've got plastic headlights finally after quite some time. Obviously these are printed on, but these are plastic bits, and I think that's really cool. It really makes the car look that much awesome. And obviously I forgot to mention the wing mirrors, the side mirrors, they actually mounted forward from the car, which is something that was very common in the late 1900s, right? It's not a very common thing now, but it used to be a common thing back then. And if you go back to this side of the car, exactly the same. Obviously you've got the Mercedes 300 SL written right there with the 417, which is a very common thing. The gullwing doors, once again, just superb, just fantastically done. I think these are one of the best features of any Hot Wheels of late. Even the RLCs, honestly, this does not compare. This is nothing. The RLCs are nothing compared to this. I think this is insanely well done. The wheels, they spin amazingly well as well. And obviously we've got the gullwing doors. I'm going to close them back and enjoy the car for a bit more. And if you look at the rear of the vehicle, obviously you guys can see the Mercedes logo right there. And then we've got the 417 right there, the rear headlight temples. We've got a little texture at the rear for where the bumper is. I don't know if you guys can see, but it does say 300 SL right there. You guys can also see the roll cage inside. And now guys, you want to see this? You want to see this bad boy transform? I mean, check it out. 1 and 2. I mean, look at that, guys. Honestly, magnificent. I am lost for words. I think these are insane. I'm never gonna close the doors. The doors are always gonna stay open in my collection. They look like they can fly. Honestly, just amazingly done. I want to give a huge shout out to Hot Wheels for pulling this off. I think this is insanely well done. Just all in all, overall, just amazing. And like I mentioned, guys, we are gonna look at the interior, so you guys can see the steering wheel right there. Because you can see all the different gauges as well. Very nicely, the attention to detail on this car. You guys, if you guys follow my channel, you guys know I always talk about attention to detail. The attention to details here are phenomenal, guys. And the value for this is something you must definitely get in a collection. If you turn, you guys can see the bucket seats as well with the racing harness. I mean, come on, guys. That much of attention to the detail. Magnificent. I think this is really amazing. I'm super excited. I'm super pumped. I'm super happy that I made a decision to buy this, to add this to my collection. And from there, we're gonna close the doors back for a bit. We're gonna look at the base of the vehicle. So obviously the base has not much details, not much design, but the way they actually designed, it's almost as if there's a floor underneath, you know, which kind of like hides all the little details or designs. I don't know if it's an intentional thing or it just looks like that, but I think it kind of makes the car look more cooler, look more sleek, I must say. Obviously, if you guys can see, it says Mercedes-Benz 300 SL right there. I cannot get the right angle on that. Obviously, we've got a Hot Wheels logo as well, and a few other numbers and letterings of obviously rubber tires. All in all, I think this is an amazing car. I'm super pumped to have this in my collection. Massive shout out to Drifter D. Once again, bro, you've been amazing. Thank you for your support, and thank you for being such an amazing friend. So this video is for you. So I just want to say thank you so much for being, and not just him, you know, just everyone recently who's been supporting my channel, supporting my side business. I want to just take this opportunity to say thank you to each and every one of you. It's all of your collective efforts that make my job slightly easier and way more fun. So yeah, just like guys, we're gonna do a few rolling shots of this amazing 300 SL, and I'll see you at the end. And just to let you guys, you've come to another video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I had an amazing time unboxing this car. It is gonna go insanely well in my collection. So yeah, so the 300 SR has found its new home in my 5-piece display slot right here. But I have a 48 slot coming sooner than you think in the channel, and then these are all gonna go into the new slot, new home, and I'm gonna make sure I display them better. But for now, this has to got this. I have to make do with this. Just so you guys, this video is over. I hope you guys had fun. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, and I'm out. Bye.